Hello friends, this is a home decor channel, and as always we try to bring something trending, beautiful and unique for you. And these are the tables, coffee tables, beautifully decorated for fall. And these ideas are simple but elegant, and we tried to collect as many ideas as possible so you can choose from them, and you can design your fall table, coffee table like them. And they are beautifully decorated with different material like ceramic jars and vases and crystal uh, vases and candle stands, and different colors of flowers and dried leaves and different grasses give such an amazing look to your coffee table that makes your home cozy and beautiful. Fall in itself is a season of romance and warmth and love. So, a special coffee table decor is an essential for your home, and we tried to collect the ideas which are simple but romantic and cozy in their nature. The beautiful candle stands and the beautiful ceramic vases and jars with an addition of colorful flowers and leaves and plants give an amazing look to your home. And we tried to collect the beautiful colors. The choice of colors doesn't become an issue for you. And some of the coffee tables also have some fairy lights on them, and they can be hanged or placed on some plant vases or some planters, and addition of some beautiful scented candles or some beautiful intricately designed candle stands can make things more beautiful. Definitely color of choice of colors um, is very important when decorating your home for fall. And we tried to bring as many ideas as possible which are in colors of fall. And we tried to bring some floral arrangements which too are in fall color, and the lights, vases, and unique, intricate, and small decorative items like pumpkins and little baskets. And these all things are a special and beautiful addition to your coffee table, and there are so many things which you can DIY them, and you can make your coffee table mesmerizing, cozy, warm, welcoming, and inviting for the people around you and for yourself too. And these ideas are not a luxury, or they are simple, and you can choose from them, and you can decorate your coffee table ideally and very easily and simply with the candle stands and with the vases. Just a choice of colors matter a lot in it, and you have to choose the fall colors for pumpkin, or if you want to customize something, please subscribe my channel.